Everyone, it seems, has a cell phone. According to a recent study by the Pew Research Center, 90% of American adults have a cell phone, and close to 60% have a smartphone. With that in mind, launching a mobile marketing campaign can be a great way to use a potentially untapped channel to increase engagement with a new or existing audience. If you've been considering starting your own mobile marketing campaign, here are a few tips to get you started. First, send the right message to the right audience. Make sure your messaging is emotional, engaging, and relevant. Use your CRM platform to learn which campaigns are getting the most clicks or highest open rates, and then create future campaigns based on that data. Next, they say timing is everything, and in the case of mobile marketing, that's especially true. Sending an SMS or short message service on a Saturday can often produce higher open rates than email. Experiment with timing and track your results. And finally, give your audience a clear call to action. Whether it's promoting an in-store sale, opting in for coupons, or signing up for future messages, ensure your call to action is simple and easy to follow. Need more tips? Sign up for our weekly best practices blog at catapultgroups.com.